Good morning students. Once again welcome you all in this English class. Students, today we will do lesson number 11, The Proposal, written by Anton Chekhov of your first flight book. Students, first part of this drama already we have done. Now I am going to explain the second part. But before that I will give you a little introduction once again of the lesson. The Proposal is one act play that begins with a young man, Lomo, presenting a marriage proposal to his neighbor's daughter. Before he could actually convey it to the girl, they enter into an argument about Oxen Meadows. Chukubov, the lady's father, also joins the heated discussion. After they end this, they enter into another argument about their dogs and which one is better than the other. In the midst of all this, proposal gets forgotten until Lomo falls off due to his palpitation and Chukubov instantly puts her daughter's hands in Lomov's. Unfortunately, the quarreling still continues. So students, I am going to explain the rest part. This drama will go to you in two parts. So please listen it carefully and read the lesson from your book also. In earlier content, I told you when Chukubov and Lomov, they were talking with each other while Lomov was there. And Lomov was feeling shy. Then what was the reason why he came there? Still, curious Chukubov asked him the reason behind Lomov's outfit because to him it seems as if Lomov is paying them a New Year's visit. So, Chukubov did not understand what Lomov was referring to and thus he told him to talk directly. Lomov finally speaks up only to confess that he had come to ask for his daughter's hand in marriage. Chukubov could not believe what he just heard out of delight and thus asked Lomov to repeat what he just said. As soon as Lomov continues to repeat his words, he is interrupted by Chukubov, who is very excited. Extremely delighted, Chukubov expresses his cheerfulness and contentment. He felt short of words to express his high spirits, overwhelmed on seeing his long-due desire getting fulfilled. He kissed Lomov. He could not control but shed a tear on hearing the news. He offered his blessing to both Lomov and his daughter Natasha. Before he realizes he had been behaving in a silly way, and he then calls Natasha to bring her the great news. Lomov asks Chukubov if Natalia will consent for this marriage. Chukubov expresses that there is no way Natalia would not consent because she is longing for his love. He then exists to call her and give the two a chance to talk privately. Lomov feels nervous and shake all over just like he has got an examination before him. He feels that it in his favor that he already has his mind made up because if he gave himself time to ponder upon it, his marriage would end up getting delayed or worse, being cancelled. He reassures himself that Natalia Stepanova would make a great partner as she is average looking and excellent housekeeper and well educated. What else could one ask for? Still excited, he could feel some noises in his ear. He did not give himself the option of not marrying after he had reached the critical age of 35 because he wished to live a normal and ordinary life. He generally suffers for an abnormally high heart rate and gets upset easily. Even that moment, even at that moment, his lips were trembling and his eyebrow twitching. Above all this, he does not sleep well. Whenever he sleeps, he feels a pull in the right side of his head and shoulder. Then he jumps, walks and lies down. But as soon as he is to get off to sleep, he experiences another pull. This happened for around 20 times. Chekhov's daughter Natalia enters the scene only to see Ivan Veslich to her surprise. Her father had told her that some merchant was waiting to get his goods. Lomov asked about her well-being. So student, rest of the part will be explained in the next content. So read it and then listen it carefully. My content. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.